Hello everyone, Tyler.pabich here today talking universal socket set. Thank you to the people over at Geinxurn for sending over this product sample of this universal socket. I'm going to talk about the different things that I really do like about it. So it comes in a little box here. You can see it has the different sizes right in it. They're wrapped up. I'll do a full demonstration here at the end as well. So you have 3 different sizes that you can see here that you're going to then put into your drill, and then it'll attach to that as well. And then you have 3 different sizes of the actual socket. So if we open up one here, you can see it has this part right here that it'll fit any bolt that you are trying to screw in. You can use different types of screws. You can try and get out damaged screws with it, which is a big positive. Obviously, this is the big one. So when I was doing my basement down here, I had to put in a huge bolt, and this actually came in extremely handy in order to use that. So you can see this just presses in right there. Again, I'll show you how we use it here in just a little bit. But then you can see the different sizes that it says right on there, which is nice, so you make sure that you have the right one to use. And then we have the final one here. Open it up. So you can see again there it has the different sizes that you can put on it, and then you have this will just go in there just like that, and then this will go into your drill. So it can work on different sizes of screws, which is nice. It can work on damaged ones, which is awesome. But really excited for this product. I do have a universal socket already, but this one has many different sizes that it offers, so that's a huge positive for this one, that you can, almost use it with pretty much anything. So stay tuned here for a quick demonstration, but thank you again for sending over this product sample. All right, so I'm back here now with the drill. I have the different parts right here. Again, these just lock into place just like that. So then you are able to put it into your drill, tighten it up. Then you put your screw or whatever it is, that your bolt, whatever it is that you're trying to either screw in or take out, put it right in there. And then again, that pushes in, which is nice, so it just fits right around it perfectly. And then either drill it in, take it off. Again, it has the different measurements right here that you can use with it. And each one has that. So let's just say I went up to the big boy. Here you can see this one, it is pretty large, so then you are going to make sure that you have the correct attachment to it. Again, you just put it right there, and again on the side, again, it has the measurements of what you can use it for. Take that to your drill, screw it in place, tighten it, and then you are ready to go. Okay, so this one here, this is going to be for your larger bolts, larger screws, whatever it may be. Like when I was doing the bolt on my stairs, I could have used this. I did have a different one that I used for it, but this one would have worked very well just because of the size. So I'm going to see if I can find some screws around the house here to show you how to use this bad boy. Thanks. So I do have this screw, this little bolt right here that I actually use to drill into my concrete. This is just what I have laying around the house to show you. I am going to use the smallest that we have here, and then again it just fits in there just like that. So let's show it in use here. Yeah, the largest head on last, of course. There we go. Don't want to drill it in too far, but again it just fits in there just like that. Yep. And then again, I don't want to go too far because this is my wall, but then I can screw it right back out just like that. So very simple to use, but it is nice to have just a universal one that you can fit it into different sizes to be able to drill the holes or get the screws out that you need. Thank you again for sending over this product sample. Highly recommend it to anybody who is in the market for a universal socket. Thanks.